Hey, John with Agile Offroad. I'm going to show you how to install a Fox ATS by Agile Offroad onto an INEOS Grenadier. When you get this from us, you're going to come pre-packaged, pre-assembled, and pre-set. So when you get it and take it out of the box, it's all ready to go. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab a couple of tools. You're going to need 18 millimeter for this one, and you're going to need a 21 millimeter for here. I usually use an impact on the side and open end on this. So I take apart this side first. I got my 21 up top, my 21 below, and pull that guy off. If you're doing this on the ground, it can be a little bit, especially with hand tools. So impact works really well. And then the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our 18. Go ahead and just leave it kind of in there. You're gonna pull that guy off and everything's gonna come apart. When you get it apart on this side with the small bolt, you're gonna notice there's a little steel sleeve in there. Hang on to that steel sleeve, just put a zip tie through there. Put this in your garage. You're probably gonna throw it out in a year because you're never gonna need it again. So here's our new one. Again, this is pre-assembled from Agile Offroad. You can see this bracket here. This is something that we've made and developed. This allows you to bolt it directly in. What I'll do is I'll install this side first, just kind of lay it in the bracket. And I'll take this 12 millimeter bolt here. And you're gonna want the adjuster facing back. You're actually viewing this from underneath the Grenadier. Here's the front bumpers out this way. So I take this guy here, I just take it, thread it in. Remember, the ATS doesn't have, even though it has a gas charge, it's not gonna push the shock out. On this side, we're just gonna line that up. If you need to, you can extend this to get it into position. Again, it will stay there. Take and thread this on. And we're gonna run those guys in. I'll just run them in with the impact and then we're gonna torque them is gonna be our final step. I got that guy there. And again, that's an 18 on that side. And on this side, it's gonna be a 21. 21 millimeters on a 14 millimeter bolt. We're gonna go to about 105. And then on the 12 millimeter, we're gonna go to about 70, but you can check your instruction sheets on that. And you are done. Remember, this is a direct fit from Agile Offroad. It's already pre-clocked for you. We've cycled the suspension, pulled everything out. This little reservoir will not hit the track bar, it will not hit the tie rods. Over here, you've got special stainless steel spacers, which are 12 millimeter. They're designed for this bolt. And at this end here, you've got a bracket that bolts right into the factory location. And then again, we've cycled all this to make sure that none of this hits, even with additional turning radius increase. So that's it, super simple, something you can do in your house, in your garage, or take it to your local mechanic. We do offer instructions, but it's gonna be pretty obvious. It bolts right in. Thanks.